What is it like to do business with your company? Do you know what your customers actually think about you? Do you have a customer care that draws back your customers again and again? Let me share a personal experience with you. Back when I was starting my business and I was in the phase of setting it up, I realized that my strength lies in closing sales. Because I was good at sales presentations. Whenever I went to meet a prospect customer, I would close that customer maximum by second meeting, and we would have some business from that customer. Some months passed and we achieved a level of revenue. Then I started seeing that even after adding some customers every month, our revenue was not increasing. Looking at it, I saw that some customers were getting added constantly. However, some customers which were old stopped giving us business or were giving us business which was negligible to the business which they started with. It was at that point of time when I realized that I do not have a system to nurture my old customers. I do not have a customer care which brings back my old customers back to me every single time. Customer care is a combination of principles, ideas, and techniques designed to systematically and consistently enhance the breadth and depth of your customer relationship. And killer customer care is the ultimate competitive differentiation of 21st century. Now, how do you get this killer customer care? You start by building your business from ground up around the real and specific needs of your customers, and then you design a customer care system which is so remarkable that your customers don't even consider buying from somewhere else. Hi, this is Pratik Khudlani, entrepreneur and business coach, and today I'm going to tell you 5 steps which will help you build a customer care, enhance relationships with your customer, and convert them in your raving fans. First is put on your best face. Customers like to be served, not sold. They like people who are polite, positive, and kind. In the simplest words, be nice to them. Communicate with them in the simplest words without any jargon. They don't like to be taken for granted. In fact, they want to be treated with importance in the entire duration of your relationship. Second, use effective systems to meet and exceed customer expectations. Customers like to do business with companies which explicitly meet their promise. Do the job right the first time and every time. Use systems so that nothing is dependent on chance and nothing leaks out of the cracks. Third is to surprise and delight. Customers love to get pleasantly surprised. Some of them like to be entertained and to have fun. All of them like to be wowed. When you constantly exceed your customer expectations, you not only get their business back, but I promise you, they will tell their friends. Fourth is monitor and measure. Your customers want you to listen what they have to say, and you would also like to know what they like and they don't like. What could be something which could improve their experience? What do they like about their customers? When you want to know more in detail about their expectations, just ask. When you go and talk to them and ask them for their feedback, they feel important. Remember, they want you to be the best just as much as you do. And last, follow the golden rule. Customers like to do business with people who follow the golden rule. Treat them the way you want to be treated. And don't just make this rule in your business philosophy and put it on the wall. Put it in the foundation of your business systems and processes and follow it ardently. When I was at a place with no customer care system set up, I started by defining what exactly I wanted my customer experience to look like. Then I started identifying what were my major modes of interactions with them. I interacted with them mainly in face-to-face meetings. For you, it could be emails, phone calls, virtual meetings, or even face-to-face meetings and so forth. Then I converted those interactions into effective systems and processes which were involving these 5 steps mentioned. When you also do that, you will be amazed to see the results. Remember, every customer interaction is a moment of truth, which can make or break the relationship. Killer customer care is everyone's job. Never stop talking about how you can enhance your customer's experience, because your business is dependent on that. At Fulcrum, we help business owners like you put up effective systems and processes which get them these results every single day. So click on the link below and subscribe to our channels to get such updates on regular basis. Implement these 5 steps today and let me know if you need my help. And in the meanwhile, I wish you happy and loyal customers.